Hello students, welcome once again in online classes. This is class 6 social science class. We have completed one lesson from geography. Today we will complete lesson 1 from history. Lesson 1 is history and introduction. Let's start. History and introduction. See the topics: importance of history, time frame, geographical framework of India, sources of history. The word history comes from the Latin historia and the Greek historikos, which means a true story of past events. The word history comes from the Latin historia and the Greek word historikos, and its meaning is a true story, a true story of past events. It is an account of man from the earliest period to the present day. It is a record of people and events of the past in chronological order. Importance of history. Number 1, it helps us to know about past. It helps us to know about past. Through history, we can learn about our ancestors, their struggles, and their achievements. In simple way, we can say it helps us to know about our past. It helps us to know about great kings, statesmen, and all other heroes of the past, as well as ordinary people. Number 3, it provides us a knowledge of the gradual process of evolution of man's civilization and culture. It provides us a knowledge of gradual process of evolution of man's civilization and culture. What was their civilization, culture, how it revolves, etc. The study of history tells us about the origin and evolution. It tells about origin and evolution of societies, which is composed of different communities practicing different religion, languages, customs, and tradition. Number 5, it helps us to understand the problem of the past and develop an understanding in us about the solution of the present day problems in a better way. It helps us to understand the problem of past and its solution in present in a better way. Number 6, the study of history inculcates in us a spirit of tolerance, peaceful coexistence, and universal brotherhood. It tells a story of tolerance, peaceful coexistence, and universal brotherhood. Number 7, the study of history helps us in building a new world free from all evils of the past. Example: slavery, racialism, casteism, etc. We have seen these in past and we have seen its results also. So we should try to build a new world which should be free from them. Prehistory and history. The early period of human history is known as the prehistorical period. Prehistorical means for which no written records are available. Prehistory means for which no written records are available. History, on the other hand, is recorded. It has no records, but it is recorded. It is the recorded account of man's progress. The historical period is divided into three broad periods: ancient, medieval, and modern. Each of these periods covers several centuries. The length of a period may differ from one part of the world to another. In India, the ancient period stretches from the Harappan times to the reign of Harsha in North India and Chalukyas and Pallavas in South India. The medieval period began around the 8th century AD and continued up to 18th century. The modern period began hence after. Students, we studied about definition of history, importance of history, and prehistory and history. If you have any problem in this, you can ask me in your app. We will complete the remaining exercise in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.